Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. I am daezhanexo for anybody who does not know, and today's video is going to be a tutorial for the goddess Fulani braids. So I actually kind of made that up. I don't know, that may be the actual name of it, but I kind of just made that up based off of what I think it looks like. So I've seen this styled on the tie from the Taylor girls, and I really want to try it out. So I'm using some old braiding hair that I have, and you see how that braiding hair has 3 sections of braid hair. I only use 2 of them for this style, so that's really good. So I'm just showing you this piece that I haven't finished yet, and right now I'm just like kind of moisturizing it, putting gel on it to make sure it's all straight. And then right now I just divided the hairs to try to see like if I wanted to even split that, and no, I'm being lazy, so we're just gonna rock it like that. So I have 4 braids on one side, 4 braids on the other side, and then I have this middle braid. So I'm using the touchdown edge control to slick my hair down, and I'm applying it very close to my part to make sure that that part isn't messy. It's a really good way to make sure that you have a nice clean part. So that is what I'm doing. And this is like a very beginner friendly tutorial because I don't even know how to do like knotless type braids or feed in type braids. So I'm sectioning off the hair. I'm grabbing these little tiny pieces as you can see, and I'm only gonna do I think 3 or 4. I think it's 4 pieces. So yeah, just separate 4 tiny pieces for this style because you want it to look really natural, so you want it to look small. And I'm just gonna go right in with the first piece, and I'm grabbing small sections of my hair and feeding it through. Now you're gonna see me work my hair all the way down with just this one piece until I get to like the breakout part where I'll start feeding it in. This is what works for me. This is what's easiest for me because like I said, I don't know how to do feed ins, so I don't know how to like constantly feed in the braid to my scalp, if that makes sense. So it's more so like the old traditional way of braiding, but since you have smaller pieces, then you don't have that big knot at the beginning and it looks really natural. Alright, so this is more so of that breakout part. I'm going to braid it down just a little bit more, then you'll see me start to feed the weave back in. And what I kind of did was I braid like 4 ways through at this point, feed in, braid 4 ways through, feed in, and so on. Alright, so that's like 4 ways through, and I'm going to grab a piece and I'm going to put it across, and then I'm just going to feed it in. I know that you can't see it at this angle. I'm sorry, I didn't realize I wasn't in frame, but you will be able to see it. And this part is kind of chopped up, so remember to like keep braiding through. But as you can see, all I did was just lay it across and then I just braided through. Um I know that probably was kind of hard to see. This tutorial isn't the best tutorial to show you exactly how to feed the hair in because honestly, I really don't even know how I do it. I just literally slap it on and it just kind of goes. I don't think about it. I find that when I think about how to feed in the hair, I just mess it all up. So the best thing I could tell y'all is to just lay it across and then use your regular like mechanics that you would use whenever you're braiding. Also, I did just add some gel to the hair and to the weave just to make it easier for whenever like I'm tucking my natural hair into the braid. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna braid that all the way down to like my finishing point of this braid. As you can see, I also left out my baby hairs and my edges because I did want to go with that like what would you call it, like that wispy-ish baby hair trend that's going on right now. All right, so this is how the back looks, and the back is just raggedy, baby. It's just raggedy. It just is what it is. Shake it all out, girl. Alright, so now I'm back and the hair is braided yet still raggedy. So as you can see, your braids don't have to be perfect, just secure enough to where you can crochet it in. This is a Features Equal Mazo curl. And honestly, like this was cute for this hairstyle, but this would be really cute for just a regular crochet like look. This was a very pretty curl. It reminds me a lot of the Features Deep way, but better. Like it was really cute. So you're gonna see me crochet this hair in a little bit, and honestly you don't have to crochet the hair in very close to each other because since it's curly it's gonna be full, and then as time goes on it's gonna be more full, so you don't need a lot of hair for this section. I think that with the kind that I had, it's like 3 packs in one, so I only used like 2 of the 3 in the 1 pack. So this is really a 1 braid pack, 1 crochet pack style. If you have it if you have like the 3-in-1, you know what I'm saying? Like you don't need a lot of hair for this style. So yep, just crocheting that in. Crocheting is pretty easy. If you don't know how to crochet, there are tons of helpful videos out on YouTube, so just check those out. And yeah, I'm twisting the hair around my finger just to secure the knot a little bit more. Look at that curl pattern. It's so cute. I want to do this like hair again. Do a crochet style with that. And I'm just doing this all over, even on the parts to where like the braid is relaxed, like right there. That's not like a big, anchor to do it, but I'm getting all in the hair because you don't want it to look choppy either. All right, so that's what it's looking like. I did add some more hair on the other side where it looks a little, a little less, but I did add some more. I ended up filling in that top part too more off camera. And that is the final look, baby. Well, we're getting close to the final look. It looks so good. I can't believe that I was like questioning. At that point, I was questioning whether I actually liked it. I was like, ooh. Because honestly, I haven't seen my forehead in so long. I was just like, is this it? But girl, look at it. It is cute. Okay, and that's me like, okay, maybe it's cute. Maybe it's cute. All right, so I added my beads, and I am not one to show you how to add beads, so I didn't show you how to add beads, but as you can see, the beads really just like complement the whole look and put it all together. I got these beads from my what do you call it, hair store. So yeah, just look at some tutorials on how to put beads in. I didn't want to show y'all the janky way because my way is very janky. So yeah. All right, so at this point I'm just cutting the crochet hair up to match the length of the hair with the beads so that it can all look good. And I just did a straight across cut, nothing too fancy. And baby, this is the final look. This hairstyle was so easy to do. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. See you in my next.